Hi friends, welcome back to the another video of Carbon Custom. So today we explore this Mitsubishi Evo 7. Evo means evolution. Basically this is the best JDM machine. Also I love this JDM machine Mitsubishi Evo 7. You can see the front of this car, but before you can explore the cinematic shot of this car.
No room to think, blood on pavement paints the ink. We're the wolves, howl on the prowl. Siren songs won't make us bow. Steel and flames beneath the moon. Chaos rises, coming soon.
So start with front. You can see in front car is so detailed. So you can see in video there is a splitters along with a tow rod, and you can see the nameplate of also detail in this car. There is a Mitsubishi logo on grill, and also its lights is working and it's functional lights. The light pieces are made from transparent glass material, you can see, and also air scoop for better aerodynamics in this car. Also you can see there is two micro air vents for better engine air cooling, you can see in this car. And let's go on bonnet. You can see the detail of this bonnet. You can see there is a air vents, also a heat exchanger. Basically this black section is a heat exchanger, and this is for a air scoop that gives the air to air filter, and there is also for better aerodynamics. Now we can opening this bonnet, and now you can see the detail of the engine bay. There is a stuck bar, engine head. Also in engine head you can see the Mitsubishi logo. You can see airbox, turbo pipes, and etc. Now close the hood and going on side. Going on side you can see the alloys of this car. This is 6-spoke alloy wheels with Nismo logo. You can see the disc brake are extremely detailed in this car. This is not rotational disc brake but is stand position disc brake, you can see. And in rear it is also a disc brake, because this car comes with all-wheel drive system. That's why you have to show the all R disc brake. Now other one hidden features is you can see the suspensions are working, and second hidden features is you can see the tire is movable. Tire is rotate in 45-degree. Now rear side you can show the JDM style spoiler in this car, which is also white color, and Lancer logo and Mitsubishi logo you can see in video. Also the rear tail lights are also working. There is made from transparent glass part, you can see, and you can see also a mini exhaust tip that's give car pretty look. And body lines and shape are proper to the same car. Now you can show in rear there is a diffuser, and it's also functional. You can see the splitter is fully functional of the ground side. Now second features is you can see their dicky is also openable, and we take this small pin in this car for opening the door. So we take out this pin. This pin for we use for opening the door. So let's open the door. You can see the lights. You have to open this door. The lights are blinking. In front there is a racing or bucket seat in front with blue color, and you can see the interior steering is also fully detailed. Dashboard and gear knob and meter console are extremely detailed in this car. The steering wheel is Momo, from factory fitted, and you can see door badging also are very extremely detailed in this car. And wall also features that I love in this car, which is you can adjust these seats. Now you can see seat are adjustable and also are foldable seat. You can see the seat are also foldable in this car, so this is good features in this car. Middle door are extremely detailed. You can see the console and door padding are also extremely detailed, and in this car you can see there is a frameless door, so this is also a good view of this car. So let's close the door, and you can see on top there is a diffusers for better aerodynamic shape again, and this is also small spoiler. We can go on this side. You can see this side also you have to give us disc brake. In this side you can show us properly car side look, and car look is awesome. This car I buy from Instagram, which is any account in Instagram, and I buy from this. Actually, this car cost will be about 999 and delivery charges extra. So you can buy this car on Instagram. If you want this link, you can DM me on Instagram. So I share you the link of this car. You can also buy. And this is my most expensive scale model on that scale, which is 1/28 size, and this is my first car in 1/28 scale model size. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So bye guys.